Ciao, jewelry makers. I'm Joey Balistreri, and I just wanted to make a quick video today for a couple of reasons. I wanted to do a little jewelry try on because I've had some comments about some pieces that I've done a tutorial on and put on my little mannequin and done videos, and I've had a few people asking to see things on person. So some of those are really long necklaces, and I'm actually holding my microphone because it's very much in the way today with what I want to show you. So I'll put the microphone down and show you what those pieces are. And I will have to like reposition my camera to show you some of the longer necklaces, but I also wanted to show you some videos that I have in progress that I'm working on for you and just see how you guys feel about it. So one of the things that I've been making is some bar jewelry, like minimalist bar jewelry. I really love that type of jewelry, and it's so much fun to experiment with different ways that you can place the bars and string on the bars and that sort of thing. So let me come a little bit closer to the camera and show you if you can see what's in my ear. This is a no piercing little ear jewelry embellishment, kind of a take on an ear cuff, but no piercing. And I'll just take it off and show you. It's really comfortable. I have forgotten that I even had it on. I have it caught in my curly hair. But if you can see, it's just embellished with a beautiful pink glass pearl and some little crystal cube beads. And it is a simple piece of 20 gauge wire. So that is something that I have recently made, and I have a video coming. And then I made this almost as a little set. This is the little matching another style of an ear cuff, and they are really simple, no piercing at all, and really fun and really comfortable to wear. So this one just hooks over the ear, and so I would have a little spiral there, and I'm just going to make sure that the bottom of this cuff is coming around the front. And so if you can see what it does, it gives you a little spiral there, and you can still wear a stud or a hoop. And here you have the possibility to embellish this with several chains, or a really long shoulder duster chain, or beads, or just a short little drop if you just want to have a pearl or a crystal dangling from behind your ear. So it's really fun. And I've done a couple of those. I've done it with a little bit thicker beaded chain that I made and just put a little spiral at the end. I think I did a little spiral at the end of this one as well. So this is just a really fun little project along with my ear cuff. And then I have a video on these too. I made these pendants out of bars, and I've done a couple of shorts to kind of showcase and invite you guys to go and watch the tutorial. But these were so much fun to make just using the check glass daisy spacers. And I did each one a little bit different, kind of adjusted that. Oh, I'm sorry. That is the back side of it. There is a front and a back to these pendants. But isn't that the coolest? And it's just a series of bars connected together. And it was a really fun project, kind of like putting a puzzle together. So those are some of the things that I have coming up. And then this is the necklace that I've been featuring. I took the Mookaite slice from our bargain bead box last month and created a Y necklace. And this microphone, I need to set it down for just a moment, but this necklace has interchangeable drops on the Y. And so let me just set the microphone down and I'll show you the two long necklaces that I had been asked to sort of model, try on for you guys. I'm definitely not a model, but let me set the microphone down for a minute and I'll just show you these really quickly. If I put the microphone here, maybe you can still hear me, but this just has a magnetic clasp and stand up. And then the Y part is the adjustable part. So I can take the Mookaite pendant off and put on my beaded bead. And I have made several other pendants that I can change out and keep changing the look of my necklace. And then this is one of my inspired by the runway pieces that I just love. You can see how long it is, and it has pink feathers, sort of inspired by an Italian designer that I was watching on Milan Fashion Week. So this also, I did a magnetic clasp, and you can see it's also a little connection of bars. I really love playing with bar jewelry, but it's really long, really, really hard to try on. So those were my pieces of jewelry that I wanted to share with you. And one more, which I just did a little bow, and you can see it's a beaded chain mixed with regular gold chain, and it's just a little bow. So those are some of the things that I've been working on and wanted to show you. The other reason for today's video is really exciting. It's been about 7.5 weeks since I started my channel and posted my first video, and I'm really close in that short time to having the 1,000 subscribers that YouTube requires for monetization, and I'm really, really excited about that and so grateful. I really don't know how to thank all of you. I see a little community that has already formed. The comments and the support and just the kindness is so overwhelming, and I just want to thank everyone. And I truly enjoy doing the 500 subscriber giveaway and doing the drawing for that. And it was really by means of encouraging those that are watching and have not subscribed to please do so, but also as a way to thank everyone for their support. It's been overwhelming and joyful to be welcomed like this on YouTube with all the fears that I had about doing it. And so I'm looking forward to doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I have a little goodie box already started, and I'm still adding things to it. So if you're watching, or if you have watched my videos and you like the content and you have not subscribed, please do so. Please consider doing it. It's really easy. It's free. You just tap the subscribe notification under the videos, and there's a little bell. If you tap that, then you don't miss when I post a new video. And your comments all help the channel, and all of those things show support for my work and my channel. And I am doing another giveaway. I'm so excited that I'm doing it, and it's to thank everyone. So that was the main reason for today's video, was the little try on, but also to announce that if you'll please leave a comment, anything, even one word. And if there's anything that you wanted to comment about that you would like a longer tutorial or more instruction on that you've seen of the things that I'm working on right now, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to put that in my rotation of work. And so I just wanted to say one more time, thank you, and ask everyone to please subscribe if you're a watcher and you haven't done that. It really does help the work that I'm doing. And so I am going to see you all in the next video at my work table. I have another project going as we speak. And thank you for watching and for, staying with me during my little try on. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao, jewelry makers.